Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I just want to share this with us. The message Commander Holy Ghost, Biafra Liberation Army Commander have is very, very important. The message, I don't want you to miss it. All you need to do is just pay attention, a start patient from beginning to the end. Hear what this commander said, you are not going to regret it. It's very, very important and vital information from Commander Holy Ghost, one of the top commander from Biafra Liberation Army. Let's watch this.
Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafrans. Good afternoon, lovers of freedom. Good afternoon, the supporters of freedom. It is our duty to educate those of you who thought we are joking. It is our duty to keep, educating you, because war can only kill those who are ignorant. Do you see all those people that are fall victim of death in Biafra land? Are those who fell victim of the war are always those who does not have ear to hear, or who was not believing on what was, or the warning that were the alarm of war that were raising. Yes, all the youth that fall victim, that became an scapegoat in the hands of Nigeria terrorists, are those who doesn't believe on the struggle of Biafra. They don't believe on it. They just say, anyhow we see, we take. And they see that. Because since we have been raising alarm that Nigeria army are not your friends, Nigeria police are not your friends, Ebubagu are not your friends, Nigeria Air Force are not your friends, Nigeria Custom are not your friends, Nigeria Immigration are not your friends, Nigeria Civil Defense are not your friends. Whatever parastatus, whatever forces that have been harmed, whether with cutlass or knife or with stick in Nigeria, they are not your friends. And so therefore, it is your duty as a grown-on citizen of Biafra, when you see them, you use your number 6. You use your number 6, otherwise you will fall victim of death in their hands. I will not fail to tell you that they have declared from the age of 13 upward, male child in the land of Biafra wanted. Whether you believe in Biafra or you do not believe in Biafra, they believe that if they allow you to live today, you will live to fight tomorrow against them. And that is why we say, in any community you see army, healers, know that they have declared war in that community. Every male child in that community is wanted. And why are we telling you this? Politicians are not your friends either. It is the politicians that are using. That man in your community that are playing politics is playing that politics with your own life. He will sell you. He will sell your family. That very politician have already sold you. You have collect cash, giving approval to Nigeria army to come and kill you. That's just a prayer to their hands. And so when we tell you that we are serious on what we are doing, and you see army approaching towards your village, and you did not raise alarm, and you just keep quiet, you will be the victim. Yes. You be the victim. It is when they kill you that people who saw them killing you and putting fire, burning you, that is when the people will raise alarm. But do not forget that it is your carelessness that hang your life. Now, Nigeria army are coming with tanker, boil with hot water. Tanker with hot water. Immediately, then just catch innocent Biafra, they'll put inside the tanker and remove it through inside bush. What we are doing is not a joke. What we are doing is not a joke. So if you think that we are joking, wait until you allow the idiotic terrorists to kill you. And then when you go to the land beyond, your great grandfather will tell you, have I not, did they not warn you? Did they not warn you? He will keep warning you. We are preparing you for what is about to happen. So that if you fail to listen, that becomes your problem, not our own. So therefore, it is your duty to also protect yourself. It is your right to live. I took my time in mentioning those who are our enemies. They are not hidden to us. Our enemies are not hidden to us. We knew all of them. I say, the AC in your community is your enemy. All the political classes are your enemy. If you think they have any good thing for you, you are joking. You are joking. The House of Rep, the senators, they are your enemy. They want you dead. They have already sold you out. Your governor is your enemy. He have sold you out. And so therefore, if you are not ready to fight your way out to survivor, you become a victim of circumstances. But one thing I can only assure you, in the midst of all this calamity, that Biafra must emerge victoriously. That is your only hope. So don't just allow the enemy to take your life without you defending that life. It's precious. That life is precious. Don't just be careless about it. Don't think we are joking. We are not joking. We are not joking. This is how it normally starts. Gradually, until it becomes. But you know, when you put water on fire, no matter how you raise that fire, the fire is booming. You cannot just hold that water immediately. It takes some time. It takes some time to begin to break the particle of water. Okay? From then, that water that was so cold, when you put on fire, become very hot. That it can hurt you. Yes. Those of you who this music are not yet reaching your area, don't be reluctant. It is rain. When rain falls, it creates erosion. Erosion don't just appear in a place. It's coming. Get yourself prepared, because this erosion must definitely pass on your domot. The reason why we are doing what we are doing is because we care about you. We does not want you to be a victim, because definitely people must die. Is part of the ingredients of war. It is part of ingredients of, freedom, fighting for freedom. This is it. The blood of our people. You can't avoid it. The blood must share. This is it. The blood must share. That is why we keep telling you that freedom is not given, freedom is taken. That process of taking it, blood must share. There will be a sacrifice of blood. Human sacrifice. Yes. There must be a human sacrifice. But what we are trying to do is to minimize the race of them, because those who will die more are always, those who are always a victim are always ignorant people. Those who are always a victim are those who doesn't believe on what is going on. Yes. Before any soldier will go down, the war is heavy. He does not just die. He fight hard as a soldier. He takes so many enemy life before he go down. And that is why we always give them that braveness salute. You die as a brave man. But you, because of your stupidity and your ignorance, I don't even know the word I will qualify you to be. You see enemy coming, you just illegally walking, they will just capture you, say, you are their friends. We are there. You say you don't know anything. You say, who tell you? Bah! You are among them. Then kill you. You just die like that. Get prepared. We are telling you to get prepared. If you don't want them to kill you like a chicken. Now, chicken is easy to kill. Just catch chicken, turn the egg, come out. If you don't want them to kill you like a chicken, get prepared. Every youth in Biafra land, get prepared. Don't walk carelessly. A careless movement will give you a careless death. Do not say it doesn't concern you. Remove that mentality that it doesn't concern you if you want to survive this war. If you want to survive this war, remove that mentality that it doesn't concern you. Believe you me, let it not be too late for you when it concerns you. We say one thing, and we stand for that one thing. Nothing in this white war that will change that thing that we stand for. That ideology, that thing, that purpose where carry us come this war. Nothing nothing you can offer us that will change, that can erase that thing from our mind. Do you know what that thing is? Biafra. B-I-A-F-R-A. Biafra. No matter what you do, you can't race it out. It is programmed here. And they mix it with our blood. They mix it with our blood. They mix it too much with our blood. And then pump the blood into our body. And then send us to come to the war. They now send us to come to the war. And now we are. Only one thing we know. And that one thing is Biafra. It's either Biafra or Biafra. Either Biafra or Biafra. Either Biafra or Biafra. I should tell you, either you give us Biafra in peace, or we will take Biafra from you in peace. We will pieces you and take Biafra. In either way you choose. But do you see this war? Now gradually. And I'm not here to talk about the zoo. They are testifying it. The crusade is still going on. The program is still going on. They are feeling it. If they know, they know. What is greater than them will swallow all of them. This very afternoon, I'm talking about the innocent Biafran youth. Don't allow the enemy to take you like that. Where you did not see us, protect yourself. Leave the environment. When you see army coming, please run away from that environment. Change the position. Change on. Any community you see army coming, that community is already declared war zone. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Because your politician there have already sold you out. And we are coming. And when we land, that place is going to be scattered. Right now, they have brought war to Lilu. They have brought war to Lilu. Why? Because Eze Lilu have sold Lilu people. The politician in Lilu have sold Lilu people. All this House of Rep in Lilu, under Anambra State, have sold Lilu people. And the governor of Anambra State, Soludo, have sold Lilu people. And have brought war to Lilu. Lilu have been a peaceful place. But because their politicians have sold Lilu, the army have now come in to kill the innocent citizens of Biafra. And then the Biafran Liberation Army will not stay and watch innocent men and women being slaughtered in their cold blood. They will retaliate. They will fight. They will defend them. But while this war is going, please, people of Lilu should be watchful and be careful. Reassure that victory is for sure. Victory is for sure. Biafra will be met. At the end of this calamity, Biafra will become victorious. So therefore, you must be protected. Protect yourself. Try to guide yourself so that you remain safe for us. Do not think that is going to be cool sometime. It's just like Nigerian people, they always believe that next year will be better than this year. They keep believe. and yet nothing. Instead of things to coming down, it keep increasing until they get used to it. Let me tell you, we will never get used to Nigeria until we get Biafra. That is what make us different from Nigerians. What make us different from Nigerians is this single ideology. That thing we believe on, we must get it. It is a must that we get it. Why Nigeria is anything then see, then take. Anyhow then see, then take am. We have more than that. So when we tell you we want with Biafra, it is Biafra that we will get. You cannot give us something that look like Biafra. You know that? They have tried in different way to give us something that look like Biafra. We tell them, it is either Biafra or Biafra. If you like, amend the law, amend the constitution. It's none of our business. If you like, give power to the Satanant. It's none of our business. If you like, create more state. It is not our business. Do you know our business? I believe you know our business. We have only one business in Nigeria. Just one. And that business, we must sell it to the end. Give us Biafra and have peace. Give us Biafra and save your life. Oh Biafra tight. We will break everything in you. We are going to break you into pieces. We will break your joint. We will break your hand. We will break your leg. We will break you into pieces and forcefully take Biafra away from your hand. And by then you are already a cripple. You'll be the one to lose. He that is already down, fear no fall. Let me tell you what is about to happen to you. Everything you have been securing by the wealth from the land of Biafra will be destroyed. Your two naked eye. All the wealth you have been acquiring by the very wealth from the land of Biafra will be destroyed, and you will see nothing again. So when I say that we will break everything in you and forcefully take Biafra away from you, do not think we are joking. We are not joking. Nothing in this life can come, go. You know, one thing about you people is that you people does not read history. You don't read history. You don't know what is revolutionary. You people doesn't know what is. You don't know when somebody is eager to get something by all means. You don't understand this, the force, the spirit that compare that person. You don't know. You don't. So I don't. What will I even call this branch of? Oh no 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 no. I understood. Nama. Nsinama. I forgot. Fulani are like cow shit. Fulani are like cow shit. The reason like cow because that cow. They operate with cow brain. Yeah. Cow brain. They are not human. They are not human. easy, their brain are spoiled. So why we there? Listen, go back to Sudan, study the history. Go back to every revolutionary state story. You understand the direction we are coming. And then maybe you feel call yourself to order and say, no matter how hard we try to stop these people, they are unstoppable. They can never be stopped. So let's save ourselves from danger, more danger, and let them go. The only solution is what I'm giving you. But if you say no, so be it. I wish you luck in your grave, because all your soldiers in Biafra land will perish. All your soldiers will perish. I told you, we are erosion. We no rush. We are coming. All the good citizens of Biafra, stay safe. The war is going on. This war is gradually, it will reach every crook and corner of Biafra land, because it is operation remove all the demons that have been killing innocent Biafra. So we will touch every part until we look back and we do not see any demon, any terrorist in uniform. Not at all. Until we look back and see no terrorists in uniform of Nigeria state, we will never going to bow down. And until then, we can never rest. We can never retrieve or surrender till Biafra be restored. So stay safe. Stay safe. The enemy of Biafra must die. That is for sure. All the saboteurs must go down with them. That is for sure. And Biafra at the end will be restored. 100% sure. We are not giving up. And we can never give up. After 30 days, 60 days began. After 60 days, 90 days began. Then to the declaration of Biafra. And then everywhere will scatter. If you think we are joking, play until you see yourself in the graveyard. But I will reserve my comment. Please, good Biafrans, good citizens of Biafrans, play safe. And if you have anybody who want to make his way to Lilu, any citizen of Lilu, please, Lilu is not safe. Lilu in Anambra is not safe. Lilu have been in war since yesterday. Since yesterday, the war is still continuing till now. As I'm talking to you, Lilu is not safe. If you have brother or have sister, auntie, friends that want to move toward Lilu, the whole of Lilu have been corrupted by the terrorists in uniform of Nigeria. The BLA, Biafra Liberation Army, are engaging them. They are engaging them seriously. Please, stay safe. If you are a male child from 13 upward, a grown-up girl, please stay away from main road. Go inside bush, inside village to say, or leave the town totally. Leave the town. Find a nearby town and relocate for now until these angels of Chukwu do the needful. Then before you can return back. That is what I have, the information I have for you this very afternoon. May God keep strengthening all the BLA. May God keep strengthening General Butuzo. May God keep strengthening all the cabinet of Biafra government in exile. May God keep strengthening our Prime Minister, the good guy. May God keep strengthening our great Supreme Leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God keep strengthening all my fellow congrats all over the world. I salute you.
Okay, that's the end of the video, and he have said it all. Let us be careful, you understand? So please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it so that many people will get to know what he said and security information that he passed, so that people will live in peace and follow the instruction from different governments in exile and from different liberation army. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.